I've been on go, 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 I've been on go.
What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, man. And today we are putting headlights in the Monte Carlo. Let's get to it.
I'ma get my family out. That you say that we ain't riding Chevy, nigga, that's a lie. 72 through 99, pick a color and a size. Rent you one like Enterprise. Go, not the dance. I'm two-stepping to the vibe. She love when I pull her hair. She hate when a nigga lie. Go, I've been on go. 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 Go, y'all. Sleep today so I can free up my weekend. SOL the garden guys, you need you some tap in. Limited edition, when I park it, I back in. Niggas say they fuck with me, but that never lasted. Searching out for all the shit I had in the past. Screaming Charlie World, bitch, while on the way to a back. Y'all going 100 miles per hour, but I stuck at a standstill. It don't matter how I hop up on the track, I spit that. This the type of shit I would've downloaded straight off of that. I've been on go. I've been on go, 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 I've been on go. Right beside me, had to give them more. They ain't leaving lovers lane, I'm on lost control. Yeah, I ain't seen the sun since I left from home. Crazy how the time take over sometime. All 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 the time. Rose right beside me, had to give them more. Things leaving lovers lane, almost lost control. Yeah, I ain't seen the sun since I left from home. Crazy how the time take over sometime. All 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 the time crazy. Rolling tulip in the raw, tap it dose and go to Mars. Time is just a work of art. Realistically, I know I'm scarred. They killed my OG in his yard. Our graduation wasn't far. Fiending for love, so I called up my plug. Maybe weed, maybe lust, maybe all the above. Statistically, I was probably supposed to do something. Repeat the cycle, add a rifle, get a rifle for the war. Revenge could never heal my source. Yesterday, I was feeling less, but today I'm more. Rose getting cold, had to give it warning. Take over when you feeling lost. Rose right beside me, had to give them more. They ain't leaving lovers lane, almost lost control. Yeah, I ain't seen the sun since I left from home. Crazy how the time take over sometime. All the time take over sometime. All the time take over sometime. All the time take over sometime.
Yeah, if you come right here, you see it.
Yeah,
I see it.
the light hit it.
4 days later, we got the LED reverse light and tail light in. We got the LED dome light and lights at the bottom on both sides. Lights. And we got the fog lights. I'm about to start it up. Now, as you can see, we got LED headlights and fog lights. So you know what that means. I don't have to take the tint off the windshield. Let's go. They go by. And we got the high beams, baby. And if you got a Chevy, you know, turn the high beams on, the fog lights turn off. But look at that, baby. And they get a car a whole new look. Like, to me, like the car look 10 years newer just off the headlights. Like, for real. Listen to that thing, man. No, it's not a cam in it. There's no cam in it. I can't wait to get this back out on the streets. Can't wait. I'm part of this thing for about the rest of the year when I get this truck fit, man. Real soon, coming real soon. That's it for this video, man. Make sure y'all continue to like, comment, and subscribe. TVSS will be back out on the streets real soon, man. Just give me some time. In the meantime, we got a few more mods coming to the Monte Carlo. And yeah, man. Until next time, peace. Yep. You can't beat that.